This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie grow a garden easy guide. Start by saving apple cores and rinsing gently, then bury them shallowly in loose soil with compost. Keep soil moist but not waterlogged, provide at least 6 hours of sun, and protect seedlings from pests. Thin to strongest plants, transplant when sturdy, and remember patience. Fruit trees take time, but reward you with flavor and shade. Feed the young apple plants with balanced organic fertilizer and monitor soil moisture daily during warm spells. Apply 2 to 3 inches of mulch around stems, but keep mulch away from trunks. Rotate watering times to encourage deep roots and reduce fungal risks by watering in the morning. Watch for nutrient deficiencies and add compost tea or gentle amendments as needed to keep growth steady and healthy. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover these tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice as a small treat for your car. Its scent keeps drives pleasant after muddy garden runs and compost pickups. Look in the description for the link and other deals to save time. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep an eye out for common pests and diseases and act fast with targeted organic controls. Prune to open the canopy and remove crossing branches so sunlight reaches fruiting wood. Thin excess fruit to improve size and flavor, aiming for 1 to 2 apples per cluster. Track maturity by taste and texture rather than date, and store harvested apples in cool, ventilated spaces for best shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.